The champion is on his way! Yellow Butter, Rowdy Red Rover had some pointed things to say about you recently. Let's take a look and hear these comments.
Let me tell you something. That Yellow Butter ain't nothing but an egg-sucking yellow dog. I want my rematch, Yellow Butter, and I'm gonna get that belt.
Well, I have to say that his comments were so unnecessary. He hurt me with words. I will get even with him in the ring. All I can say is, if Rowdy Red Rover wants a rematch for my championship, he's got one. Be careful what you wish for.
There you have it! Rowdy Red Rover will wrestle Yellow Butter for the title. Let's go to our contest! This is the long-awaited debut match for Shawn Herney. Mark Snorkel is his opponent. And wait! A cheap shot by Snorkel. Headbutt! Side headlock by Snorkel. In control. Herney with a beautiful back suplex. A hip toss by Herney. And another hip toss. A punch by Snorkel, but Herney hits him back. And another hit by Herney. And a third time. Snorkel doesn't know where he is. He's down. But Herney isn't done. A tornado punch. Herney is going on the top. And a beautiful splash by Snorkel. 1, 2, 3. Shawn Herney wins in a very impressive debut. I will interview the winner in a moment. Herney! That was a very impressive win today. How do you feel?
I feel fantastic. I'm so excited to be a part of Origami Wrestling, and I want the fans to remember. Herney all day, baby. Oh yeah, all day.
Thank you, Herney. And thank you for joining us. Bye!